Just a quick video. Picked this up from Wally World. We got the Hummingbird feeder. Not much to it other than remove the tags and fill it up with this nectar food, hummingbird food, right? So let's fill it up. You know what? I'll rinse it. Hang tight. Alright, all cleaned up, ready to go. Excellent. Pennington. Alright, here we go. Nothing to it. Upside down. Screw the top on and hang it in your favorite spot so you could watch it. Alright, this is good to go. Take a look. I installed a zip tie right there to hang it with. It's good to go. I think we found a perfect spot right next to this flowers right here. And right there. Let me hang it. There it is. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Let me know in the comments section if this is a sign of getting old. Thanks again for watching. Chat with you guys later.